Goods and Services Tax (GST) is a tax that is levied on the supply of goods and services. In many countries, such as India, GST has replaced various indirect taxes like excise duty, service tax, VAT, etc. If you are a business owner or an individual, you may need to register for GST under certain circumstances. Here are some general guidelines for GST registration in India. Mandatory registration, aggregate turnover. You need to register for GST if your aggregate turnover exceeds the prescribed threshold limit in a financial year. As per my last knowledge update, the threshold limits are: for goods Rs 40 lakhs, Rs 10 lakhs for special category states; for services Rs 20 lakhs, Rs 10 lakhs for special category states. Voluntary registration. If your turnover is below the threshold limits, you can voluntarily register for GST. This can be beneficial for businesses that want to avail input tax credit or establish credibility for their business with other businesses. Special cases. Some businesses may need to register for GST despite their turnover. This includes interstate supply of goods or services, casual taxable persons, non-resident taxable persons, etc. Reverse charge mechanism. If you are required to pay tax under the reverse charge mechanism, you need to register for GST. E-commerce sellers. If you are an e-commerce operator or a seller on an e-commerce platform, you may need to register for GST, regardless of whether your turnover exceeds the threshold limit or not. It is important to remember that GST rules and regulations can change, and you should contact the official GST website or a tax professional for the most updated information based on your situation and location. If you have any doubts or need personalized advice based on your business details, it is advisable to contact the official GST portal or a tax professional.